Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to calculate a due date automatically inside Monday.com. Whether you're managing tasks, projects, or deadlines, Monday makes it super easy to calculate dates based on conditions, durations, or dependencies. Let's get into it. To start calculating a due date in Monday.com, open the board where you want the automation to work. Make sure your board already includes the columns you need, typically a start date, a duration column, or a dependency setup depending on how you want your due date to be created. Next, click on the Automations button in the top right corner of your board. This opens the Automation Center where all the date-based tools are located. Inside the Automation Center, go to the search bar and type date or due date. You'll see several templates for calculating dates. One of the most common automations is when status changes to something, set the due date to X days from now. This allows Monday.com to automatically fill in a due date based on your chosen timeline. Another powerful option is using dependencies. If your board has start date and dependency columns, you can use the automation when a dependency changes, adjust the due date accordingly. This helps you calculate due dates based on the order of tasks. So if one task is delayed, the next task's due date automatically shifts to match the change. If you're working with durations, Monday also gives you formulas. Add a formula column and use a formula like start date plus days of duration. This will automatically calculate a due date based on the number of days you enter in your duration column. Once you choose your method, customize the settings. Pick the column you want Monday to update, select the time frame, and confirm the automation. After that, click Activate or Create Automation. Now, whenever a task changes status, whenever a dependency updates, or whenever you enter a new duration, Monday.com will automatically calculate the exact due date for you. No manual typing, no guessing, everything stays accurate and up to date. And that's how you calculate a due date in Monday.com. It's simple, automatic, and saves you a ton of time when managing deadlines. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this.